No, this isn't for you. Wow, these take up a lot of space. What is that? Flush refill kit. Right there. Okay, a lot of papers on here. First day instructions. Okay, don't need those. Big news. First use. Don't need that either. Please enjoy a complimentary bottle of our amazing pea powder. Says it solidifies and deodorizes urine, 1 tablespoon per 10 ounces of liquid. Okay. Okay. That really doesn't want to go anywhere. Alright, another one of these. Here's the our first one. To get me started. $750 milliamps. Huh. There. All right. Solid. All right, that's a solid seat right there. And this has a retaining ring, it looks like. It's got the insert. All right, what do we all have in here? All right, so looks like this just sits on top. All right, there's just a ring here. Oh, I see. Okay, that's why that's an octagon. It fits inside this. This is a bag here with a rubber band. I guess this is what you tie up and throw away. This is some kind of sealer. All right, it's got seal here. Ah, this must be what moves it. So if we look inside here, so that looks like it spins, right? Because it spins, right? Okay, that's kind of sit in there, right? Retaining ring. You're not gonna be able to sit there when I'm in here. There ain't no room for you in here. You have to sit over here. You just gonna. I'm using the toilet. So, there you have it, the Laveo dry flush. It was either this or a composting toilet, and a close third was the possibility of putting a cassette toilet. I needed something that I could have in the shower, you know, like a little private bathroom area, and then move out to take a shower. So a black water tank was not in the running. Otherwise, I would have had to make a much bigger bathroom area to basically have a toilet that I can't move. And while that was a possibility, this is a large truck, I would then have to have a black water tank, and then I'd have to find places to empty a black water tank. And that was just, I was like, I'm not going to deal with that mess, because then I have to deal with, you know, what do they call it? The stinky slinky, you know, and it was just, I'm like, I do not want to mess with that kind of stuff. You know, like, no, I'm not dealing with poop. So that's why the cassette toilet, the cassette toilet wasn't really high up. I mean, it was a good third place, but I didn't want to have to dump liquid waste into a toilet, and, you know, just, yeah, I've heard horror stories. You know, I've seen a lot of people, you know, on the YouTubes do it. And yeah, I'm not about that. So composting toilet or this. The composting toilet's a lot cheaper, talking like $200, and all you need to do is, you know, some bags and stuff like this. This is nearly $1,000, and the refills are like $60 to $70 a refill, and each refill will last me about a month. So you know, because I'm not going to just be using this, I'm going to also be going public toilets as well. So we're talking, they said it should be able to get about 18 to 19 flushes per bag, per refill. So, you know, going once per day, and then in public, you know, in like, you know, Planet Fitness or, you know, any other public bathroom, I should be able to get by a month per refill. So that's why I chose this instead of the composting toilet, because the composting toilet, even though people say there's no smell, there's still some smell, and this is a very small space. I don't want any smell, especially since I'm literally cooking right there. I don't want to have to smell what's going on in here right there. So these basically, they basically you know, the bags, you saw, like, it spins and it closes around your waist, and there's no smell right there. Like, you could literally just like hold it up to your face, which would be kind of weird, but you shouldn't smell anything unless the bag rips. But then it's also in its own like garbage bag that's held, you know, you saw it. So yeah, and then I can basically just take the bag, tie it up, and throw it in any garbage, any trash can in public. So, you know, it just looks like a black garbage bag. So it's a little bit more expensive. The cost per use is more expensive, but the convenience and the absolute zero smell, to me, was worth it. And also, you know, since it's battery powered, I can easily, like, if I go, if I'm not in the truck, I can take it with me and use it anywhere. So if I want, if like somebody wants to go camping in tents or something, I'm gonna pack this. All right, so let's go ahead and do a demonstration of how the Laveo flush works. I have here a sample of some unicorn droppings. So let's go ahead and, excuse me, Tina. All right, here we go. There we go. Okay, here we go. Let's flush. Look at that. It's all solid right there. That's the pack right there. Okay, well, that's the demonstration. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing of the Laveo dry flush. I hope I did it justice. As you saw, it comes with one installed already, and then you get an extra one, so that's, you know, that's 40 flushes right there. And then, you know, a pack of 3 costs like $60 to $70 depending on where you live. And then of course they add on shipping, so just consider, I got a pack of 6. I would consider, you know, buying like a pack of 6 to save a little bit on shipping. And then you're talking, I think I paid after the shipping was like $150 for 6 months worth of toilet use. For me, that's not bad. So, thanks, and have a wonderful day. And Thina says hi.